Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, as you can see right here, we have a female squash here and there's no male around it. On the squash plant, we did not see a male up to now. So guys, look at next one here. This is a next female right here. Lots of female is pushing off. This is another female right here. And we have a next one right here that you have the bees down inside it. But guess what? There's no male, guys. There's no male. So I'm going to do something right now that might just train something, because even though we see bees down inside, we ain't seeing no male at all on the squash. All we seeing. Alright guys, so even a bee is down in there, we don't know if it's gonna get pollinated, because I saw one the other day. I saw bees down inside it and it did not get pollinated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going over to some different squash to see if I find any male that I can hand pollinate or cross pollinate this squash. Alright, we're looking for a healthy male. This is a male right here. You can see the difference. It have bees inside of it. So let me look around, see if I find more. All of them have bees inside of them, but the thing is, look, another healthy male over there. Look, another healthy male. But the thing is, you want a healthy male to cross-pollinate with that healthy female. So let's go over here and look, see if we can find more. Alright, this is another male right here. This is this look like a pretty healthy male. But the bees them is busy, so we got to get the bees them out of this. Oh, we're not trying for it to sting us. Oh, they're busy. Come, get out, get out. So we're going to pick, the big guy, look at that male. So we're going to pick this male and we're going to take off the sides like this. And we're going to go and we're going to try our best to hand pollinate or cross pollinate it, however you want to call it. Because if we don't do that, guys, we're not going to get food. These things is operating different. Some of them is only producing male and some only female. So this is it right here, guys. Let's go over. So now, guys, we have a nice healthy female right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the male and we're gonna push it down inside between the female. You got to do this fast, because I'm telling you, by tomorrow this female gonna close up itself and there's no guarantee you could get it pollinate again. So you wanna try your best now to pollinate it. I'm gonna get the next one because I wanna make sure that this thing is pollinate. We have the bees come inside here while I'm trying to pollinate it. Let's go again for next one. Take this one. We want to get the bees out. Hey, them bees and them busy. It's good to see the bees, guys. The only problem is the plants gonna get pollinated. Like I said, this one is pretty small, so this one might able to go deep down inside. So let's go back again, guys. This one is small, So this one might be able to go deeper down inside. At least we're doing our part. Hopefully the bee is gonna help, but we want to make sure that this thing is pollinate, because if this ain't pollinate, what's gonna happen is gonna fall off. So you see guys, is this the male and that's the female? Look, the female down inside there.